Before you get started cooking on your new Weber Summit Smart Gas Grill, it's helpful to familiarize yourself with the touchscreen and how to navigate through the controls. First things first, make sure the grill is plugged in. After the grill is connected to power, the knob will light up red and then white, and the touchscreen will begin to load. When the home screen appears, you're ready to go. Note the screen defaults to the grill tab, and before you ignite it, the grill will be in idle mode. Here you'll see the current grill temperature, preheat button, graph, and the mode selector, which we'll get into more in a minute. If you're using propane, your fuel level will be displayed at the top of the screen. On the right-hand side, you'll see the main navigation controls, grill tab, which we're on now grilling tab, and the graph tab. You'll also see your Wi-Fi status and the current time. Swipe left to see settings. When you tap the mode selector tile, you'll see your cooking mode options on the left side of the touchscreen. In direct and indirect, you'll see the top grate and the main grates on the screen. The numbers below represent the burners. Red means the burner is on, gray means the burner is off. The knob controls the temperature. As you turn the knob, the temperature, heat level, and food zone will update. The food zone is a highlighted area that shows you exactly where to place your food on the grates based on your cooking mode and temperature. You can also tap the keypad icon to enter an exact temperature. The red button here takes you to the next step. The IR broiler screen lets you choose your heat level for the top-down infrared broiler, low or high. The highlighted food zone also shows you where to place your food on the top grate, right under the infrared broiler. Manual gives you more control of the grill and lets you set burner levels individually. Each burner has 10 heat levels, ranging from 10 at the hottest to 1 at the lowest. Tap or slide to change the heat level on each individual burner, or turn a burner off completely. Tap the red button to confirm your selections. Once the grill is lit, the grill tab on the home screen will show you the current grill temperature, heat level, and the mode selector tile showing the current mode, target temperature, highlighted food zone, active burners, and heat levels. Right below that is the stop button, which you can press and hold for 2 seconds to instantly shut down the grill. There's also a graph that shows the temperature of the grill and probes. Going down the navigation controls, the Now Grilling tab is where you can set and monitor your probe temperatures. And the graph tab shows your grill and probe temperatures over time. For more information, check out our other videos in this how-to series. Visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.